In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a waiting list on Shopify. Whether you're managing a high-demand product or planning a new launch, having a waiting list in place can be a fantastic way to manage customer expectations and keep potential buyers engaged. Let's dive in and see how you can easily implement this feature on your Shopify store. First, let's start by navigating to the Shopify dashboard. On the left panel, you'll see a menu with various options. Look for the one labeled Apps and go ahead and click on that. This area is where you can manage any existing apps you have and explore new ones that can extend your store's functionality. Once you're in the Apps section, you should see a search bar. Type in Waiting List and hit Search. This action will guide you to the Shopify App Store, presenting you with a curated list of third-party apps designed to help you create a waiting list feature. As you browse the available options, you'll notice each app offers unique features, pricing, and user reviews. This step is crucial because choosing the right app will ensure it aligns with your store's needs and budget. Take your time to go through the options, clicking on the apps to get detailed information about what each one offers. Some may include additional features like automated emails or customization options, which could be beneficial depending on how you plan to utilize the waiting list. Once you've identified an app that seems like a good fit for your requirements, click the Install button. This will initiate the installation process. Be sure to check whether there's a free trial available or if you need to make an initial purchase. After the app is installed, it will typically walk you through its setup process. Remember, each app may have slightly different steps since they're designed by different developers. The great news is, most of these apps have intuitive setup instructions to follow, ensuring that you can get your waiting list up and running with minimal hassle. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, your Shopify store now offers a waiting list feature, giving your customers the opportunity to express interest and eagerly await their chance to purchase your products. This feature not only enhances the customer experience, but also provides you with valuable insights into product demand. Feel free to explore different apps until you find the one that suits your style and your store's needs perfectly. Thanks for tuning in, and I look forward to helping you with more Shopify insights in our next video. Happy selling!